Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Happy Saturday, happy weekend. If you have like a small business and you have to do bottle filling, this is a lifesaver. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share if you can. And thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. I love that this have a see-through or transparent cover so that I could see what's in there as opposed to the other one. So that's a helpful thing right there. So as you can see, this operates manually. So there is a lever or the little red knob that you'll have to push, and the lever on the inside goes down so that the product would come out. But I will share how I use that, as I said. But I thank you for watching. If you have come this far, much appreciated. Thanks so much. One love and God bless. I appreciate you watching.